Sure. Here's a 600-word YouTube video script for your channel car reviews focused on the 2022 Suzuki Mehran. The Suzuki Mehran has been a familiar face on Pakistani roads for decades, and in 2022, it remains one of the most talked about cars in the budget category. Although it was officially discontinued by Pak Suzuki in 2019, the legacy continues as people still buy and sell newer models due to its simplicity, affordability, and availability of parts. In this review, we'll take a closer look at the 2022 Suzuki Mehran, its design, performance, comfort, and whether it's still worth buying in today's market. Let's start with the exterior. The 2022 Mehran sticks to its classic boxy design that hasn't changed much since the 1980s. It's a compact hatchback with minimal styling, and while it may not turn heads, it serves its purpose well. The front grille is basic with simple halogen headlamps, and the bumpers are body-colored only in the VXR variant. The car sits on 12-inch steel wheels, and although it lacks alloy rims or modern design elements, it remains functional and easy to maintain. If you're looking for a car that just gets the job done without the bells and whistles, this one fits the bill. Now moving on to the interior. Step inside, and you'll immediately notice the simplicity. The dashboard is made of hard plastic, the analog meter cluster is basic, and the seats offer limited cushioning. The 2022 VXR variant comes with air conditioning and a heater, while the base VX variant skips even those. There's no infotainment system or power steering, and windows are manual across all variants. Space-wise, it comfortably seats 4 adults for city commuting, though long drives may not be the most comfortable experience due to the lack of headrests and thin seat padding. Under the hood, the 2022 Mehran is powered by a 796cc carbureted engine that produces around 39 horsepower and 59 Nm of torque. It's paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. It's not fast, but it's efficient and built for city driving. You can expect fuel economy figures of around 13 to 16 km per liter, depending on driving style and conditions. The lightweight body gives it a nimble feel in urban areas, though highway performance is limited. The suspension is basic and slightly bumpy on uneven roads, but again, it's built with simplicity in mind. When it comes to safety, the Mehran doesn't offer much. There are no airbags, no ABS, and no advanced safety features. This is one of the car's major drawbacks, especially when compared to newer compact hatchbacks in the same price range. However, it's worth noting that the ease of maintenance and availability of cheap spare parts somewhat offsets the lack of modern safety tech. The best part about the Suzuki Mehran is its low maintenance cost. Parts are widely available and incredibly affordable. It's the kind of car that almost every local mechanic knows how to fix. This makes it an ideal choice for first-time car owners, students, or anyone looking for a low-budget daily runner. So, who should consider buying a 2022 Mehran? If you're someone who wants a no-nonsense car that's easy to drive, easy to maintain, and affordable to run, then this could still be a solid choice. However, if you prioritize safety, comfort, or modern features, then you may want to look elsewhere, perhaps in the used market for cars like the Suzuki Alto, Wagon-R, or even imported options like the Daihatsu Mira. In conclusion, the 2022 Suzuki Mehran is not a modern car by any means, but it holds its own in terms of practicality and cost-effectiveness. It's a car that does the basics, say nothing more, nothing less. It's a piece of Pakistani automotive history that still refuses to fade away. Let me know if you'd like a more casual tone or visual cues added.